Hey folks, I see that you send in a lot of questions and I'm here today to answer those for you. Sabrina asks how to push up the body properly when dancing. And it looks like you're getting to how to do fouettes, okay? Because you have to have strength and balance, which you have acknowledged, which is very good, Sabrina. I don't know how long you've been dancing, but what the eye sees and what the body actually does are two different things. When you see push up, you're thinking that they're pulling up the body. The words I'd like you to think about, instead of pulling up, I want you to feel the highest level in the body, right? Not pull up, because when you pull up, you restrict your diaphragm and then you can't breathe. And when you can't breathe, you get tense and all the muscles tense. And that's the number one lesson, is you have to have a neutral, relaxed body, right? And so when you zip your zippers and you feel the highest level in your body, just walk around all day with highest level in the body. Then when you go to do a fouette, even highest level, if you go over to your supporting side, highest level in the body brings you up and over your base of support. So that's some advanced advice, but I hope that helps, Sabrina. Thanks for the great question. Brooklyn asks, I'm really loving ballet and want to do it, but my parents are against it. Is it possible to teach myself, or how would I start? Here it is. A lot of times people don't understand the art of ballet. And if you don't have a really great example of ballet, you know, maybe your parents have not even really sat and seen a really great ballet or a program like that, that would be a convincing factor. If you saw something super exciting, show it to them. They may have a change of mind. Now, as far as you, Brooklyn, having the choice of dancing or not, you always have the choice to dance. If you're at your school and they don't have a dance program there, or you go into middle school, sometimes they'll have dance programs, or the local studios. Sometimes there's scholarships, and I'm sure they would love to have you. You can always find a way to get into those classes. Now, teaching yourself is possible. You can tune into our channel, because the truth of it is, we're giving you really the basics on my channel so you can understand how powerful and incredibly intelligent you are. Because when you zip those zippers and align your body, brings everything together. Your brain is really ready to learn. So keep tuning in to our channel and you'll learn right along with us as you explore other options in your neighborhood and community. Sometimes, you know, there's community events where they have guest teachers come in at the YMCA. There's a lot of classes that go on in your community. So check that out, and, you know, check back in with me, Brooklyn, and we'll see how we could help facilitate your love of ballet. Chandra asks, my church has low carpet and where I dance, what's the proper footwear for multiple spins on carpet? Spins, I love spins, pirouettes, spins. Okay, so ballet shoes, when they're worn a little bit, are pretty easy to manipulate on carpet. Do not wear sneakers. Do not wear any kind of rubber on the bottom of your shoe. It'll twist your ankles and knees. The other piece, the very best piece of all, is the contemporary shoes. You can go to online or to your local dance store, and they just fit, the contemporary shoes just fit right on the ball of the foot and cover their toes, and they are built for all surfaces. I hope that helped you. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and put your comments below, and I'll see you next time.